right, changes 2.5. They're 40 wide, long. If the mantle is 72, right now, and I don't know if this is framed up yet, but I've got this at 67.5. So if it's wider, let me know. Right now, the step out is 49.5 from the corner. And the step out 67.5 wide. So if we do this at 72, obviously that's not going to fit. But if this is wider, that's fine. We can just push these cabinets to the right. But let me know what's going on here. I don't think this was framed up last time I was there. But anyway, I've got it at 67.5 wide. It steps out 26 inches, and the left side is 49.5 from the corner. All right, thanks.